Jai Srimannarayana. 10th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhihi buddhimatamasmi tejaha tejasvinam aham om. Know this fact that you are existing because of Sri Krishna. All the beings existing because of Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna Paramatma is your intelligence. Sri Krishna Paramatma is your brilliance. Make the best use of them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize the fact that you are the root cause for my existence and for every of these beings' existence. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I understand that my intelligence and my brilliance is your property. I shall make the best use of them. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Ho Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandhamu 29th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Devatas are praying to Srimannarayana who is there in Devaki Devi's Garbham, saying like this, He Bhagavan, Bibharshi Rupani Avabodhaha Atma Kshemaya Lokasya Characharasya Manchivarikella Mangala Pradamayu కల్లరులకు మేలు కాని అట్టి తనువులు ఎన్నియైన దాల్చి లోకములకు సేమమెల్ల ప్రొద్దు చేయుదీవు. హే భగవన్, you are the one who comes down in different forms to give auspicious results to the devotees. And in the same way, when you come down, you will also remove all those who are causing troubles to your devotees who are not your devotees. हे भगवन्, त्वयि अम्बुजाक्ष अखिल सत्वधाम्नि त्वत्पादपोतेन महत्कृतेन. Only your divine, beautiful, handsome form should be meditated upon. Only your divine form should be realized, visualized in dhyanam. Hey Bhagavan, Acharyas are teaching such a wonderful process to their disciples how we can engage manas on you and how we can meditate upon you. Those who are enlightened, they are taking your divine feet as a boat to cross the ocean of samsaram, and all the acharyas giving the same means to their disciples. That means they are teaching to their disciples to take your divine feet as the boat to cross the ocean of samsaram. Like that, Devatas praying Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 10th sloka. Bijam mam sarva bhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimatam-asmi tejas tejasvinamaham. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimatam-asmi tejas tejasvinamaham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.